How to check JetBlue credit card rewards. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can check JetBlue credit card rewards. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser and search for JetBlue credit card rewards. After you search for that, hit enter and you'll find this JetBlue credit cards website, but the one that we want is called TrueBlue, this one. So if you just head over to this website, you will be able to actually log in into your account. And after you log in into your account, you will be able to see all of your credit card rewards and everything. So open this up, tap on the sign in button, tap on sign in right here. And after you sign in, you can then come to this page. Let's let this load. And while this loads, just head down below and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Now after you here, type in your email address and then your password. Then tap on sign in and you'll get logged in into your TrueBlue. After that, you can see all of your credit card rewards and everything. And that's how you check your JetBlue credit card rewards. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye.